A stunning ridge, an enchanted forest, we double the speed on a burning hot day. This is Drone and Fern. Welcome back to the second episode of Hike Your Hike, and today we have an audience with us, Stephen, and he's going to bring us to a trail that we haven't been to before.
Hi, good morning. So my pleasure to bring you today. So we'll make a cross from Shatin to Sai Kung, passing by Buffalo Pass and Buffalo Hill. So it's gonna be gorgeous.
Cool. Also, a quick shout out to Kylus. Thank you for a sponsor. We love your stuff. And also, by the way, DJ is behind the camera.
I'm here.
Let's go. In this series of Drone and Fern, we're hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes. But there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike not on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In the second episode of this series, we start the hike at Sad Moon Station and head up to Buffalo Pass. For this hike, we have a deadline as Stephen has an appointment after lunch, so we are going at double pace across the 12 km route. This time, I'm hiking with not just one, but two professional hiking old men.
So, how you feeling, George?
Wow, that was like walking in the rainforest. Very wet because of the fog this morning, and it's quite steep, right?
Steep? The steepest part is to come.
Oh my god, this guy is walking too fast for me.
We're gonna walk around the ridge of this one to the top there. Then we go down in the valley. This valley makes a split to the village of Mutilam, which is just behind the hill. And the other one, there's another village going down over there. And for us, we're just gonna go straight. We can see we cannot see the pass, but we can easily guess all along the ridge. The first one, then we go to the Buffalo Hill West, East, then we go down Buffalo Hill West, and then we go down to Sai Kung. It's lovely.
What can I say? I can only follow. The ridge is in view all the way to the top. Once you reach the first summit, you follow the ridge up and down all the way to West Buffalo Hill. It's a stunning hike with magnificent views on every side. It was hot though on the morning we attempted it, and by the time we reached the far end, I was feeling the strain. On our way down, I have to make a tough choice. So we have two paths to go on. One is a steep path, but it's quicker, it's shorter, and one normal path, which takes longer time. But
no, it's gonna be faster, because if you take the shorter one, it's quite steep. We have to be cautious on the step. And
absolutely, totally agree. So let's go for
George
the
loves
number
the
one.
steep ones.
No, that's not true. Fake news. Earlier on in the hike, Stephen had asked me if I was acting in previous episodes, as he was unsure if my pain and fear of a fatal accident had been put on for the cameras. On the way down, he soon discovered I was not faking it.
How you feeling, George?
It's obviously not acting, okay?
I don't have to ask him to act, Stefan.
Once down, we cross the Matterhorn Trail and enter an enchanted forest. There's a lot of mud, so mind your footing when you step on it. After a pleasant hike passing some old historical remnants of previous occupants, we finally finish our hike at Ho Chung Village. So that's the end of this episode. Good recommendation from you. It has great view. It's not too long, but quite technical, so it's fun to hike. What do you think?
I hope that you like my hike.
Yeah.
And if you want to join again, I will bring you for some other one. Some good adventure. I can have some fancy one.
Fancy one? Okay. What do you think, DJ?
It was great for me. I really enjoyed it too. Thank you, Stefan, for taking us out. Short, but pretty tough. I think you were suffering, George, a little bit.
A little bit, just a little bit. My name is George.
I'm Stefan.
I'm DJ.
And this is Drone and Fern.
So Stefan, who's your favourite Drone and Phone reporter?
George, obviously.